Hi friends, welcome back to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today we are going to discuss about how to automate the EC2 stop and start. Okay, so this scenario comes on real time. So whenever we use any UAT lower environments, so we are working like lower environments. Production we haven't do these things. So production we need to like provide 24 by 7 uptime. So when we are working in lower environments dev environment, UAT environment, so my client is asking, so night times we are not using that lower environments, so why we are wasting the cost, so we can reduce the cost. So that's why what we can do during the night times, we can stop that servers automatically. We will not go for every day, we will not go for the TC2 and we'll stop the manually. For example, sometimes I am on leave, like I miss, I forget to stop that servers. So in that time, alerts will trigger to clients. So they will escalate these things, right? So for this, we can do automate every day. We can schedule the timing. So during that time, it will automatically shut down. And tomorrow, when that business hours start, before business hours only, we can start the automatically. This is the whole scenario we are working today. So this is the concept. So I hope that concept you will understand. So for that now we require this is the documentation. I will upload this documentation my GitHub. So these are the prerequisites we need to launch, and we need to create the IAM. That IAM we need to attach our Lambda function, and we can create the role start and stop. That start and stop script we have here. So this is the role. So I have created already, but I will create for again. So policies I have attached, these are the policies, and one of the policy I have created manually. This is the content in that policy. After that EC2 start, I used what Boto 3. You can use Java or anything, all the languages will available. I will show you when going to practical. So I just started this simple Boto 3 package, and yeah, you just add your EC2 instance. You can add many instances. So you have the 10 servers, you can give that comma and you can add it. So, and also this is the instance ID will take and print that started instance, and it will show that your email notification also once it will start. So and this is the stop command, sorry, stop script. So here also same way, and we are just stopping that EC2 instance. Actually these are the functions we are calling into the Lambda, so there we are providing some details that I will show you. Okay, okay, and anything I miss for prerequisites, let's go to again documentation. Okay, nothing we miss. Let's jump into that practical session. This is my EC2 server. So this server, it is already Nginx is on live. It is up and running. So we can test it directly this server only. Let me copy this instance ID. Copy this instance ID and change it to this instance ID. And here also you just change it to that instance ID. That's it. Then what is the first step? Create the IAM policy. Let me go to that IAM. IAM. Go to open the new tab. Here is my IAM. I will show you my role. So lambda role. EC2 lambda schedule rule. This is my rule. Here I have the policies. I will create it for your reference. Okay. Anyway, create the role. AWS services. Use lambda and go to next. I have added what are the policies. Cloud was full access, Amazon EC2 full access, right? Okay. Let me give that EC2 Amazon EC2 full access. You can restrict that access also, but just try this. CloudWatch. CloudWatch full access. This will also we can allow, and where is that CloudWatch full access. And finally I have created manually, right, EC2 schedule, this one. This I have created manually. That content is this. I have restricted that particular EC2 stop and start. Okay, these are the permissions. Go to next, create the role name. Now you can create lambda updated policy your policy. I think policy spelling is wrong. ULICY policy. Okay, and everything is fine. These are the permission I have allowed. Create the role. Done. My role is created. What is the next step? Role is done, service is done, everything is done. Resources, choose all resources specific ARN EC2 instance ARN that is not required. Standard EC2. Create the arrow, navigate to role, create the role, trusted identity, AWS service, use case, lambda. Why it is coming again 2 times? Okay, that is above policy has created, just then attach it to our role. Okay, once it is done, go to the lambda, just search it lambda, open here. You can choose the existing functions and we can create the new one. Functions name EC2 update start. Our policy name is update, right? Here also we can use update start, start start. Here I have selected Python 3.3 and other supported also Python 3.9 something you can select. Let me check what I have selected previously. We can go for that only for supported. Functional test version. I think Python plus somehow where is that details. Okay, let it be any Python, we can select it. view the details. Here is the details are there, but that most details are not showing. जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन का ट्रिगर हो गए, परमिशन को हो गए, and destination हो गए, functions, environment variables, RDS. ठीक है, चलेगा. Let it be. Update EC2 update to start and Python 3.3. What documents is we can choose this. Python 3.9. This is latest version supported. Okay, fine. Go to the change execution role. Use existing role. Here you need to select. So this is my updated policy. So correct no? Create the existing role. Additional configuration. Existing role is done. Okay, fine. And create the function. Here now you can add this code. Currently we are creating what is the function? Start function. This is the start code. Copy this and remove this and paste it this. Once you paste, deploy it. Updating the function, so your code is deployed. So test ka na we can create new test event. Just create the test event, deploy update one. We can do it. All the update we are working, right? Update one we can do. Remaining everything is same. Test save kar do and test it. We will get one error that I will show you. See, test is failed. What is the file? Request. Task timeout is 3 minutes is 3 seconds is required, but our task time showing Python 3.3 time 1 minute. Okay, fine. Where is that? Go to configuration, go to the permissions. So not permission, general information only. See here 0 minutes and 3 seconds is there, but we will keep directly 3 seconds. Save it. Go to code. So it's already started, no? So we will not test. So we can go to the again for stop function. Let's create the stop. EC2 update stop Python 3.3 exits that role. Updated policy, additional information करना है. Create the function and copy the stop. I will show you how to test also. Actually our EC2 server is running, so that's why we haven't tested for starts code. So here we can test it. Remove this code I have already explained. I am not explaining again. Deploy it. Updating the EC2 function, stop and test it. create the event for this also. Update stop and save it and test karo. Here also we will get one error. Same error. Go to this configuration, change the timeout for 1 minute to 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Save it. So our EC2 server is currently is up and running. So I am testing EC2 update stop. Go to code, test कर दो. So now started, execution succeeded. Exactly. Now just go and refresh. It's loading. Now it is stopping automatically. So this till now we have done that. Added creating the policy, creating the role, added policies and lambda function create. Now we need to automate this. So we don't want to do manually, right? We need to automate this. For that, go to cloud formation. Sorry, not cloud formation, CloudWatch events. CloudWatch event bridge. Go to CloudWatch event bridge. Here go to rule, create the rule. Rule name is EC2 start EC2. Update EC2 start. Update EC2 start. And events bus is default. Create the schedule. Update the events mode and event bus default schedule. Continue with the event with scheduler. One time scheduler, recurring scheduler we are adding the cron job, right? That's why CA Kolkata only cron base and now we need to deploy 21 sorry 30 40 का शेड्यूल कर दो 40 21 star star see 20 Friday 27 21 40 का रन हो गए currently 21 35 21 40 का रन हो गए flexible time we can off. This is the optional. Create the next and here we need to select the lambda का select हो गया and we need to stop that. Currently we are creating what is the role name we have done? EC to start now. So okay, update EC to start. This is our update EC to start and create the next. Enable the schedule. After action schedule complete. After action schedule complete is nothing. Encryption. Create the role. Create the new schedule role. That is okay. Create the next. 2140 का रन हो गए. We will wait for 4 minutes. Remaining everything is same. We are starting that. Easy to update start our lambda and we are starting create the schedule. Okay, update start EC2. We will wait for 2140. Let's see. Meanwhile, we will create the stop also. Create the rule. Update stop. So currently our server is stopped, right? Let it wait for 2140. We'll see that it will start automatically or not. Meanwhile, we will create the stop and we will test this also. Recurring update stop and recurring cron base 45 का शेड्यूल कर दो 21 everything is see 21:45 का stop हो गया again flexible time is off create the next API calls lambda EC2 update stop okay lambda is done enable the schedule enabled after action schedule after we should delete event based schedule will automatically delete the schedule after it has completed okay we will try this also if it is scheduled or not okay remaining everything is same next review create that schedule it okay I'll stop alerts also done so we can go for 2140 let me refresh still not started see now it is going pending stage now it's running so it is started automatically our script is working and our alerts also running properly so we have done automated so we can wait for 21:45 it will stop automatically so this is how we can schedule and we can start that our services so not services our EC2 so whenever client requirement we can easily work on like this okay I think this concept is very clear so we can connect tomorrow for the latest topics so I'm working major on bedrock AI also so I will update that session also one day so thanks all bye